We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at Embry-Riddle. We are going to tint this huge airplane. You're not supposed to tint these things, but these are for camera and filming. They actually have little slates in the floor where they open up and film a bunch of stuff. And they're restricted airplanes, but we're gonna put XR Plus 5 over the back and then 15 over the fronts. And that should be it and call it a day. We have 2 of these to do, so let's get started. Alright, so we got most of the plane finished. We got the 5% all over the back of the other windows. We're gonna do the 2 fronts with the clear 70% XR Plus. So we're gonna get to those and then this plane will be done. So let's get to it. If it makes dollars, it makes sense. Alright, we're up here in the mix. It is hot as I don't know what in here, but we got the whole plane done. We just got the 1 window left. This thing's wild though. Let's try to drive this thing. Like, yeah.
Everything's moving.
Well, that's cool. Check that out. They moved the wing. Yo, Cletus, you gonna fly this one? Let's go. So we're gonna get back to it. Let's do it. Kill this thing by myself here. It's a bit tricky, guys. We can do it though. All right, so we got the plane all finished. We're gonna clean it up and take a look at it, do some B-rolls, and get on to the next plane. Let's get to it. All right, we're over here in hangar number 2. We're about to do the second plane. Let's go take a look at it. It's a lot cleaner than the other plane, I'd say. Still all plexiglass. We're still gonna do the same thing. It's gonna be 5% XR Plus in the rear and the clear 70 XR Plus on the 2 fronts. Should be pretty straightforward job, pretty easy to do. We did the other one in about an hour and a half, and it's gonna block about 98% of the heat coming in here. This thing's the same thing. It's a camera plane. So this bottom floor comes out and they film all kinds of stuff across the lands and whatever. I don't know exactly what they're filming, but we're gonna get all our stuff over here, get to it, get this one done, and get out of here. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're moving right along on this plane. We've already got these 2 windows done. We got the front 2 done with the clear way up there. We got this one done, so we got 1, 2, there's 1 on the door, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go and we'll be out of here. These things are extra cool inside. It's really making a huge difference, blocking all that heat. But we're gonna get back to it, so let's go. Alright, so we got the plane finished. Philip is just working on one last window, and that'll be that. But this thing came out super nice, blocking a ton of heat. And yeah, so we got the one left.
Yeah, then we'll be out of here.
Yeah, pretty quick on these two.
Easy enough.
But now they won't feel all that heat in there. This is kind of the same plane as the other one. But yep, pretty cool stuff. Tinting planes. I don't think I've ever tinted a plane. We tinted a helicopter for a famous YouTuber that I cannot mention, but I'm sure you guys, if you're smart, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna get cleaning this thing up, finish the last window, so let's get started. Guys, that's it for tinting the airplanes. We got them all finished, ready to go. They should be a whole lot cooler inside. Like I said, they did get the XR Plus clear on the fronts, 5 over the whole back, so they're going to be a lot cooler in there for when they're filming, making the maps and all that. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.